Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Aksal from Group 1. I am for grade in MI Nurul Ulum Grabakan Sidoarjo. I want to take video about campaign to protect polite without making noise in the madrasah area. Choose soil pollution. Finish your snack. Throw the plastic wrapper and scatter straight into the bin. Not under your desk. Air pollution. If you live nearby, walk or bike to school. Water pollution. Don't dump your leftover soup meal or boba tea into the garden soil or open drains. Noise pollution. Keep the volume down during free period or when moving between classrooms. Okay friend, I hope the video is useful. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.